Yo, what is going on YouTube? So this video has been much requested, what with the brand new release of WWE 2K26. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to unlock everything in WWE 2K26 using a working locker code. I spent a long time searching Google and also watching YouTube videos searching for 2K26 WWE locker codes, and I've actually managed to find probably the best available locker code. Like I said, it's going to unlock all characters and unlockables in WWE 2K26. So before I show you how to go ahead and get these locker codes, make sure you drop a like on this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I am always creating updated videos and I plan to make more content for WWE 2K26. So let's get into it and show you how to unlock everything in WWE 2K26. What you're going to need to use is your mobile phone. Now, you just use your mobile phone internet browser to obtain this locker code, and then you can go ahead and redeem it in game. So head on over to www.coldcoupons.com. So type it like this, cold coupons. And I've used this website previously for WWE 2K25, but I started to play 2K26 and I actually noticed they had a page on here. So as you can see, what you're going to want to do once you search for the WWE 2K26 page is scroll down and select this code here. This is a WWE 2K26 unlock everything locker code. So this is a master locker code, as you can see, that is going to unlock everything in game. This is all characters and unlockables up to the date that you use the code, guys. So if you use it now, obviously it's a new release, there's going to be more unlockable characters coming in the future, but what you're going to want to do is reveal your code. Obviously this is a pretty desirable code, and as you can see, there's 500 coupons, so they are limited codes, guys. Now, what you need to do is basically follow the instructions on the next page, and it's sort of like a verification, and it's going to unlock your code. So it's pretty easy. Like I said, I did this earlier and it took me about 5 minutes. But yeah, you need to complete 2 of the free offers below. These are like applications and free surveys, and you just need to follow the instructions and complete 2 of them. So as you can see, there is a list of tasks here. They're all completely free. You just need to select 2 of them and follow the instructions below each one. That tells you how to complete the tasks, guys. So it's very important that you do just make sure you read that and select 2 that you don't mind completing. They do take about 5 minutes. Once you do that, it will redirect you back to cold coupons, and your WWE 2K26 locker code will be revealed. Then you redeem it in game in the locker code page, and that is going to unlock everything in WWE 2K26, and that is the easiest and fastest method, guys. So head on over to cold coupons and then navigate your way to this WWE 2K26 locker code page and select the all unlocked code. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.